Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can equip and unequip world pack in Dress to Impress game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update of Dress to Impress, you'll be able to access the world pack easily and quickly. Just go to the post menu right here and you'll see the world packs option. These are my world packs I have owned and I'm going to use it. I'm going to select the fresh pack. This is for the world. Let me show you. Okay, this is the default. Okay, this is the idol. Okay, and let me choose the ice skating pack. This is for the idol. And this is for the walk. Oh, so now if you want to equip the world pack, just go to the post menu guys and select the world pack that you want to apply. Okay, if you want to unequip it, just tap again on the walk or the idol and you'll be back to the normal walk and normal idol. The default. Okay guys, and that's how you can equip or unequip world pack in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!